Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today, I don't know, I'm just doing something. I haven't worn makeup I think in over a week. Now I've just been in that mood. I wake up in the morning, I don't even put makeup on the way to work. I swear to you, for 3 years straight, minus the last week, I would put makeup on every single day and I've not missed a day since. But I've just been feeling really unmotivated, really exhausted, real tired, and I just want to sleep. I'll go to work and then I just want to sleep. And you know, the hassle of touching up at work, you know, for the oil and whatnot. So I've just not been doing my makeup, but I just want to look cute. So today I think I'm gonna go 0 to 100 real quick, because I'm gonna edit it out half of the things. But on top of that, I did do a little bit of shopping at Kiko, and I just wanted to show you what I got. It's a really mini Kiko haul, and I think they're all lip products, to what I remember. I ordered it a while ago. I just have not been motivated to do anything, honestly. And if I did try anything, it turned out horrendous. So today I'm trying, and hopefully it comes out good. So it'll be a 0 to 100 real quick today. So hopefully I'll look myself. My go-to, if I'm trying to go out and I need to look like nice for pictures, I'll probably do what I need to do today. But anyways, I'm gonna open this up. This is like my little Kiko haul. Forgot what I ordered. Wow, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products I got in here. Oh my god, oh my god. Right, so we've got all this, wow, I've completely forgotten what I've ordered, so this is what I have in the box right now. So, this is a high pigment wet and dry eyeshadow in shade number 22. This was a free gift. This is like a really it almost looks like a blush. Honestly, I thought this was a blush when I first looked at it. So it's like a pink mauve, something like that. Then I have the Beyond Limits Eyebrow Pencil Duo. Oh, this was like £1. So there was a couple things on sale and I just picked them up because I wanted to get that free delivery. So I picked that up. This, I don't actually know what this is. It's a number 4. Eyebrow Duo in number 4. So we've got an eyebrow pencil on one side. That looks like my eyebrow colour, which is creamy, and then the other side you've got like a highlighter. It was only £1, like you can't go wrong with no £1. Just buy it. Then I have a full 2.0 lip liner in 01. Don't remember what these are, really don't, just picked it up because they were cheap. Ah, it's a nice nude lip liner, funnily enough. It's incredibly peachy nude. It'll have to work one of these days for one of my videos. And then I got a Candy Split eye pencil in 02. This was the 20th anniversary for Kiko. This was like £1 again. I was just shoving things in my basket. Oh, this is like a retractable one. It's like a grey purple. It's quite nice actually. It's an eyeshadow pencil, just so this one here matches my nails actually. Almost in the light. So it's an eyeshadow pencil, not bad. And then if you have not heard about the 3D Hydra, I was going to say 3D Hydra lip glosses, these are phenomenal. I was really skeptical about it because I bought 2 because everyone kept banging on about it, but I didn't like them at the time because I was so used to the Gosh lip oils, which are like really smooth and oily, that this felt a little bit more tacky. But then again, now that I've worn it again, I love them and they look spectacular, like superb, splendid, amazing, stupendous, like they look amazing. So I bought 4 more. I already have 2, which is like, I'll show you. So these are the 2 that I have already. One's a pink and one's a purple. The pink is my absolute favourite. That's number 5, and then I got number 27. You can see here the numbers. So they're absolutely gorgeous, especially in the light. They look crazy glossy and shimmery, and I live for it. Like I live for shimmer. Okay, so I'm gonna pop open number 20. Don't know what they are. I'll just have to see. Okay, 20. Ooh. 20 is like a nude lip gloss. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. Everything I bought here has shimmer because I cannot live without it. This is a nice nude. Very, very nice. Not as sparkly as the other ones, but it's a nice looking gloss. That one is 20. Then I have number 17. Cute. She cute. This one is like a more of like a darker mauve pink, and you can see all the sparkles. I bet this gonna look nice. It's gonna look real nice. Yeah, that looks really pretty. Really sparkly. Love it. That's 17. Then I have number 6. Ooh, number 6 is very natural. Very, very natural. Very, very natural. She's like barely there. I would call her barely there, really. It's right here. It's almost like a clear gloss. It's pretty much almost a clear gloss, yeah. But it's got a very, very, very light pink undertone. That's number 6. And then last but not least, I got number 16. Ooh, and she is a ruby red. I wanted to get something with colour because I don't think I have glosses with colour. And this one looked nice. There we go, right here. So it's almost like a tint. So say I wear like a red lipstick and I just want a gloss on top of it, this is probably what I would put on top of it. Alright, so that was my mini haul. I might use a couple of the products that I bought today, might not, depending on how I'm feeling. My makeup always it's just, whatever I use on my face, it depends on how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling to use that product, I will use that product. So, let me get going from 0 to 100 real quick. Alright, we're going to breeze past certain things. So I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Transform Sheer Moisturizer, Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I'm also going to use the Revolution Skincare CBD oil to add that glow. You ain't got to see it. This video is going to be 10 billion times longer if I share everything. So I'm going to use these 3 products to start off. I'm going to add some strobing cream from MAC. It's strobe cream, but you know, it's in Pink Light. A little tester, because the lady gave me one, because she's nice. So just on the high points of my cheeks, nose, chin. I put a little bit too much there, but you know. Alright, for the foundation, I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Fresh Wear in 100 Linen and the Stila Stale Day Foundation in 8 Honey. It has the concealer, but I'm not going to use the concealer. I have tanned a little bit, so I am going to mix these 2 together. I'm going to use the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer in Light. Then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in Butter, the loose powder, and I'm just going to set my under eyes like that. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with this powder. Okay, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the Revolution Pro Micro Brow Pencil. It doesn't say that on here, but I remember, in dark brown. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to use the Bronzing and Contouring Powder by Maybelline. This is their City Bronzer in Medium Warm 250. The lid broke off. As you can see, this is a very much loved bronzer. So, I'll use this. Your girl's just going to put this right by, most of it on the forehead. You see this forehead? Yeah. She needs covering. So, I have to bronze her up a little bit, just to give her a little bit of depth, you know? Right, I'm going to use the Morphe Translucent Eye Primer just to prime these eyelids. Alright, so I have 2 go-to palettes. I have bronze and then I have red. So the bronze would be this one. This is Christmas in New York Too Faced Merry Macarons palette. This is my go-to for my bronze. As you can see, there's a little indentation in this one. This is my favorite. I shove a couple brown colors together, add that to the center of the eye, and like I'm good to go. Or I use this as the Rimmel Magnified Spice Edition. I love this palette, extremely pigmented, like surprisingly. And I use this, and I use mainly the colors at this end to create my red smoky eye. That's like my signature look. If it's not a bronze, it's a red. And today I'm feeling red, so I'm gonna go with my Rimmel. So I kind of just go in for it. I'm gonna use this one, which is pretty much the darkest red in the palette. So I start off right at the base, at the center, and then I buff it outwards slowly. So I start at the center, and the leftover product I kind of like buff it into the eye, not bringing it too high up, but like I'm gonna create a smoky eye out of this anyway. Then taking a slightly smaller brush, a fluffy one, I'm going to take this purple here, which actually comes out quite deep, so I'm going to take that. And I'm just going to start putting this on the outer corner of my eyes, blending it slightly in and out. So we're just going to use this to basically deepen out the outer corner of the eyes. I've only used one colour. Okay, so now to create the pop of colour, I'm going to use this eyeshadow. I used it in makeup school a lot. I've probably created this look somewhere down the line in my YouTube channel. Don't remember when, but I just feel like using it again and doing this look because I feel like crap. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow here. This is by Topshop. It's called Shuffle the Cards. You can probably find a eyeshadow similar to this somewhere. I just can't think of one at the top of my head. But this is amazing. This is pretty much like an eyeshadow topper. It's duochrome. It is superb. This is my favourite thing to put on top of a red eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to take some of that on my finger, and I'm just going to pack that on. Like, it looks cray cray as soon as you apply it. And that's from the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to use this pencil. This is like my favourite, and I keep mentioning this. Barry M bold pencils are amazing, especially if they have a lot of shimmer. The silver is amazing. They've also got like a gold as well, bronze. This is the old packaging though, so they got the newer packaging out, but this is amazing. It's waterproof. You can put it in your waterline and it sparkles like crazy, and I'm looking for more. So I'm going to use silver, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Okay, so I'm going to take that deep colour that I used to do the outer corner on a small brush, and I'm just going to blend it basically on the lash line under here. And then with a little smudge brush, I am going to take this shade here, which isn't too heavy like the one on the top, so then it doesn't look too like down at the bottom, because if it's too you look like your face is falling and you're tired. So I try not to do too much reds down there because it might look a bit extra. So I'm going to take a little bit of that on a smudger brush, just slightly blend it out. This is so that I get a little bit of that orangey reddy colour under here, without dragging my face down and making me look like a zombie too much, you know? Okay, so taking I Heart Revolution Goddess of Love, Goddess of Faith highlighter, I'm going to take some of this. I'm going to put this on the inner corner of the eye. Love a good pop on the inner corner. I can't live without one. Like that. A pop on the inner corner, and it also kind of leaks into the lower lash line on the inner corner part as well. And then I just tap it and tap it. Okay, then I'm gonna put some on the under the arch of my eyebrow. I really like to go for it, you know. Although I do lose some of the eyeshadow, I just blend it back in, but without an under eyebrow highlight. Oh, it's like, did you even finish the look? Alright, taking my favourite drugstore lashes. These are the Pinky Goat Ream lashes. They are wonderful, natural lashes. If I'm not wearing Pinky Goat, I'm wearing Lash Queen London. Search it. I'll link it down below as well. For my highlight, I'm going to use my favourite kind of like combo. Especially when I'm tanned. I like to use the Becca Champagne Pop powder. As you can see, I've loved it. I had this since makeup school and I still use it to this day. It has more of like a golden undertone, which looks really nice on like deeper like olive skins. But when I'm tan, I have that little yellow undertone in it. It just suits me. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Snowflake. Completely two different types of highlighters, but the contrast really looks good. Okay, for the blush, I'm going to use the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. I am going to take the shades here, these two, which is It Girl and Free. Okay, although it does say MAC Fix Plus Gold Light, it's not actually Fix Plus. It's actually the Glow Revolution by Makeup Revolution in Eternal Gold. I've put it in here because the actual pump bottle is broken here, so I put it inside this bottle. And I'm just going to spray that. I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Mauve. This is like a nice deep mauve colour, but I like to use it to slightly overline my lips. Okay, so taking that new Kiko lip liner that I just bought, sorry, lip gloss, I'm going to take this as in 17, I'm just going to put that on top. So this is the final look. This is my 0 to 100 real quick. Just, you know, bang on some big earrings and a delicate-ish necklace. You're good to go. I've also done a little slick back hairstyle, and yeah, this is my 0 to 100 real quick look. This is something that I do real quick, honestly, and really and truly. If this is like I need to go out somewhere, like a surprise, like a, okay guys, we're going out for a nice meal, look nice. This is kind of what I would roll up in. So yeah, this is my look. I'm digging it. I feel a lot better now because I really haven't worn makeup in a while, so it's nice to know that I haven't forgotten how to do it. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.